Can't get into Roblox because it's not logging in? Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to fix any login issue in Roblox on your computer. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. First, try clearing out Roblox website data from your browser. To do this, first open up the browser you use to visit roblox.com. Now, I use Chrome, but if you're using a different browser, the settings are pretty much the same, so you follow along. Now, click on this three-dot icon and select Settings. Then click on Privacy and Security. Then on Site Settings. Now, click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. In this search box, type roblox.com. Now, hit that trash icon and select Delete from this pop-up. After this, close the tab and open up roblox.com. And check if you can log into your account. Solution 2. Still having problems? Change your DNS server to an optimized one. For this, open up Command Prompt. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. After you find out which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Internet. And then click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. From the top, select Manual and turn on IVP4 if it's turned off. Now, on the Preferred DNS box, add DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to the alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS. If you're using 8.8.8.8 DNS, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now, check if you can log into your Roblox account. Solution 3. If nothing's worked, uninstall Roblox and reinstall it from Microsoft Store. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings, click on Apps, and then Installed Apps. Now, scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the three-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again, and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now, search for Microsoft Store and open it up. Type Roblox in the search bar here and hit Enter. Now click on Roblox, then Get, and Roblox should start installing. Once it's done, just hit the play button and you should be able to log into your account without any problem. So folks, that's how you tackle login issues in Roblox. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.